Alright, so now I'm going to show you the ACCU TAC Bipod. So this is the one I bought. I'll show you everything that you're going to need, at least for Edgun. So if you have something like this, so $324, so it's pricey against another competition, but later I'll show you a few things that you need to know. So basically, when you open this up, it comes like this. So I have it already in my rifle, so I'll show you. Other than that, I mean, this is all you're going to get. There is nothing else. It's not like another ones like the Arca. It comes with a nice plastic case. So here, as you can see here, this is the one that you're going to get, at least for this. So it's very nice. This is the way it looks like. So I'm going to change the camera so that way you can see. So basically, you put it on the table, and then if you want, you can move the legs forward. You have to push them down and then move them forward, and then here you have another handle here or leveler, so that way you can move it like this. And then something that I like it that I didn't see in any other place is that you can spin this for the height. I'll show you closely. So if you see here, you see you can spin this if you want to make it higher a little bit. Other than that, if you don't need so little, you can extend it like this. And if you want to go back, push here, and that's it. Otherwise, you can use both hands, extend it. And then if you want to go maybe one less, just do this, and that's it. And it works in both cases the same way. So here, for instance, if you want to take this out, you can pull this towards the other way. So it's very tough now. Okay, there we go. Now I was able to remove it. I mean, for this gun, it works very well. So basically, as you can see, it has this mechanism that you can see here. So if you want to move the leg, you have to pull out and then move it around. And if you want to extend the leg, just like from here, like I said before, and maybe for a tiny bit, you can spin it from here, and that's it. See, so you can make it grow maybe a quarter of an inch or something else. So other than that, it's very nice. It's made in US. So as you can see here, the only thing I don't like is this system. It's like you have to pull like very hard in order to move it around. You have this to swivel it like this, like I showed you before. And if you want to make it wider or or narrower, all you have to do is push this system here. You see, push this like this, and then you can spin it like that, and then you can make it wider or narrower, and that's it. And then after that, here you have the Picatinny thingy. This is the relay system, and you mount it in this case here in this area, and that's it. Other than that, it's very nice. It's pricey, but I think the other options, if you want to get something cheaper, I think it will do basically the same thing. Here, for instance, I have this one, in life, and it's a clone of this, but I think it's a little bit better. I wish this ACCU TAC could do the same. For instance, instead of pulling this down, all you have to do is push this button. You see, push this button, and then you can turn it to the left or to the right. Here you have the mechanism here. Thing is, I don't know if it's plastic or metal. Looks kind of metal, but the rest of the leg is all plastic. And if you want to extend it, very easy. Push this button. I wish this button could be red. Push it, and then you can extend it like this. You see, and that's it. So later, if you want to swivel it, towards the left or the side, you can untie this, and then you can move it, towards one way or the other. and you can leave it flat or just parallel to the ground. The only thing I don't like about this is you have to use a Allen key. It's not like you push here like this and then you can spin this freely like the other one. So that will be the only disadvantage. Other than that, I mean, it's nice. These, I think they are like $50 against 350 of these. But if you want something like it's going to last for a very long time, it seems this is all aluminum and it's very nice. So I tried them both and both work very, very well. So if you have any question, please let me know in the section below. And if you want to buy something like this, I can leave you the link so that way you can get the same thing. Otherwise, this one, they are very, very nice. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video and see you next time. Remember, if you want to keep watching, go to the playlist. I have everything organized by topics. Thank you and see you next time.